Begin by preparing a soapy water solution using 1 ounce of soap to 1 gallon of water. Lightly spray the soapy water underneath the ridge cap and along the top of the polycarbonate panels. This will help position the foam and improve adhesion. Next, peel the backing from the foam strip and carefully align it under the upper lip of the ridge rail, making sure it sits over the top edge of the polycarbonate panels. Press the adhesive edge firmly onto the surface to ensure a solid bond. Continue this process to the end of the ridge cap. Once completely in place, trim any excess foam for a clean, professional finish. Now, take the mullion cap with the gasket already installed and slide it carefully under the ridge line. Position the cap between the panels, making sure it lines up properly and with the end of the mullion cap at least 1/4 under the ridge overhang. Apply ample pressure of the mullion cap into the foam gasket as shown. Secure the mullion cap to the mullion using hex screws, placing 1 screw in each of the pre-drilled holes. Repeat this process to install the remaining mullion caps on your greenhouse. Once completed, continue with the next procedure listed in your installation instructions.